Hello students of Standard 8. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshram. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Our today's topic is from my English Reader Unit 1 Changing Time. And today we will see the topic Friction Land, a poem. Before starting the topic, let me ask, at what age do you think people tend to behave in these ways? Write one or more age groups for each behavior. In their teens, in their 30s or 40s, or in their 50s or 60s. Adventurous, domineering, argumentative, anxious or tensed up, carefree, immature, tolerant, friendly, sensible, and last, ambitious. Let us first read the first stanza. In the Friction Land, there is a family with some confusions, as you will see. There is Raghu, age 15, and others all grown. Please will some let me ever be on my own? Here, in Friction Land, there is a family. In that family, there is a boy named Raghu. He is of 15 years. The family have many confusions. Raghu wanted to live his own life in his own way. Raghu wanted to go mountain climbing. That suited him nice. So he went to his papa to seek his advice. His papa said, "Son, I have got to say no. You think you are sporty, but you really don't know." Raghu wanted to be a mountain climber, so he went to his father for his advice. But his papa says no, because he was not sporty. Let's see the third stanza. Rejection, refusal. Raghu saw red. Am I the prefect at school or the baby at home? Crazy, what adventures! Bah, teenagers. Papa saw the thread. They think they can manage everything on their own. Because of rejection and refusal, Raghu becomes very angry. He says he is prefect at school or a baby at home. Father says, these teenagers, are you adventurous? Now let us see stanza 4. Look at your clothes. Look like you haven't bathed in years. Cut your hairs. You look like a scream. Raghu was in tears. Why can't I live like I wanna be? I won't change. My friends love it. And the girls, they all look at me. Father started scolding Raghu by saying, these teenagers, look at your clothes. It seems as if you have not bathed for years. Your hairs are too long. Cut it. Raghu started crying and said, why can't he live the way he wanted to be? I will not change. My friends love me. Even the girls look at me. Let us see the stanza 5. Days passed by. Things looked better, sometimes worse. Papa, there is a band that wants me to sing a verse. Join a band? Yelled flabbergasted Papa. You have surely gone mad. Think of a career, for things gonna be sad. Days passed. Raghu again went to his father and asked him that he wanted to join a band and to sing a verse. His father said that surely he has become mad and think for his career. Weeks went by and summer came down. Soon his expertise on computer he found. His grandpa was great, like a bosom pal. Raghu taught him about the net and email. Many weeks went by. and the summer came. Soon, Raghu became an expertise in computer. His grandfather was just like a friend to him. He taught him about net and email. You are a genius, my bridge of modernity. But Grandpa, this is something for Papa to see. Take it easy. As fathers and sons, we have gone through the stage, and I assure you, you will repeat our words when your son will be your age. Grandpa said him genius, but Raghu says this is something that his father has to see. So his grandfather replies, take it easy. As the father and son, they had gone through this stage, and he assures him that he will also repeat the same words when his son will be of his age. Dear student, based on today's poem, here is a short assignment for you. Have a nice day. Thank you.